Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get Windows OS like Taskbar in any Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as Taskbar by low end. And the first you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this download option. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run the software installer. Now just drag the application to the application folder to install it. Finally it has been installed. Now just click on this apps icon and now you'll see the Taskbar application has been installed successfully. Now just double click it to run this. Click on open. Now it will ask you some permissions. So on the above you can see already been granted. Now just click on this enable thumbnails. So you can see granted. Now select auto hide to left or auto hide to right in order to hide the Mac dock. So I'll just set it to auto hide to the left. And now below you can see here and user license agreement. Just click on accept. Now the last option you can either enable or you can just keep it as it is. And once you're done, just click on done. Now at the bottom you can see here which looks like a Windows like Taskbar. So you can see the thumbnail previews also. And if you want to customize it more, just right mouse click on it. You can see here preference. So under the preference you will see a tons of options. So you can see here the first option is Taskbar. So under Taskbar tons of options which you can check out by yourself. Next is appearance. So here you can increase or decrease the Taskbar size, Taskbar title font, thumbnail size, tons more options. And next option is a menu bar icon. Next option is thumbnails, blacklist, advanced. So you can fully hide the Mac dock also by enabling this option. Next option is a request. Next option is policies, and next to it is a reset where you can reset all the custom settings, and last is all about its application. So these are all the options you're gonna get inside this application settings. So by using this cool application you can easily get Windows OS like Taskbar in any Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.